Welcome to the Penrith Solar Experience, where world-class products meet world-class trained humans. Here at Penrith Solar, we'll offer you nothing more and nothing less than, of course, Enphase microinverters, coupled with battery storage, installed by Enphase Installer of the Year. Now you may think, what makes you so great? Well, follow me, let's take a look. Stephen Cannon Training Facility, undoubtedly our biggest weapon of all. This is a place where we nurture, grow and develop our talent, our apprentices and our licensed electricians. Before our team come to your home, they'll be highly trained by our in-house technical trainer, how to work on a tin roof, how to install on a tile roof, how to work on our own roof, being trim deck or clip lock, and how to install to the highest level possible. In 2023, Penrith Solar Centre were crowned Enphase Installer of the Year for the third year running, as well as Enphase Customer Service Heroes, and for the first time ever, the greatest solar retailer of all time by SunWiz. Ladies and gentlemen, take a breath, relax. You are in the greatest hands possible, and welcome to the Penrith Solar Experience.